new product, no? Siya po yung ating mentor, Diamond, global mentor po from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. She used to be a chemist po sa Singapore with a high-paying job po. Pero umalis po siya doon when she met Elken 11 years ago. And 11 years na po siya doing the Elken opportunity. And talagang sobrang na-amaze po ako din sa transformation niya mula noon hanggang ngayon. So, hindi ko na po pagtatagalan. Siya po ay sobrang hardworking and very supportive po sa amin. Parang 24/7 po yan kung mag-support. And actually, kanina po, kasi every Saturday, she consistently trains us po weekly to mindsetting and to do our business po, kung paano po natin magagawa yung business natin. During this 7 months po na lockdown period, every single week po, very consistent niya tayong ina-assist. Okay? So our mentor from KL, Malaysia, Sister Josephine Chong. Sis?
Hi, thank you, Ma'am Izai. Hi, good evening, Paul, everyone. Thank you for your time joining us. Thank you, Dr. Jane, for the wonderful sharing and very detailed. Yeah. So I would like to just use this opportunity to share with you also one of our key product that's going to launch in the Philippines next week. Yeah, I think, and we are all very excited for it. Why? Because I think we all know that cardiovascular health is very important. Yeah, that's why I just want to take this chance to share with you. Yeah, so studies shows that, although yes, COVID-19 virus is, the very dangerous now. I mean, the safety is still very important. But I think when we look at the statistic worldwide, when we look at the leading cause worldwide, the cardiovascular disease is still the top, and 18 million people died of heart disease worldwide last year. Is 1,800% more than the COVID-19 virus. So it's an alarming figure that we all also need to really take care and take prevention as well. And when we look at the statistics in Philippines also, the heart disease and stroke are still the top 2 cause of death in Philippines, and both due to a poor blood circulation and all related to the cardiovascular problems. And the studies also show that 1 in 2 Filipinos have high cholesterol, and 1 in 4 Filipinos have a hypertension. So all these are alarming figures. And even though we can say that maybe I'm young, I don't have high cholesterol or high blood pressure, but there's still symptoms that we can actually check, that we are not really having a good blood circulation. So we can check, are we having some, always be forgetful? Like last time, maybe, I always remember everything, but now I even forget after I left my car. I don't know whether I locked my car or not. I forgot to bring the house key, this kind of thing. Or when we have headache, migraine, dizzy, frequent, it could be because the blood flow actually is actually not doing well, is at the brain area. Or when we are walking, or for some elderly or parents, are they easily losing their balance or become unsteady? Or chest pain, irregular heartbeat, breathless, always feeling sleepy even though we sleep enough, or varicose vein problem, or cold feet and hand, numbness of feet, hand and face, or water retention problem at the leg, or erectile dysfunction or infertility problem. All these are the symptoms of a poor blood circulation at our brain, our heart, our liver, kidney, hand and feet, and our reproductive organs, that is telling us that, hey, it's time we really need to pay attention to our cardiovascular problems. Yeah. And when we look at, the leading cause of sudden death also, cardiovascular is still the main problem. And unlike other disease, for example, even though cancer, if we are diagnosed, there is still time. We can arrange for treatment, we can arrange for chemotherapy, a lot of things. But if we get any sudden heart attack, there is no time to really cure it. So we always just want to share with our friends and family that prevention is better than cure, because if any of the blood clot forms or the plaque formation is there, when it flow and block the major blood vessel, it could become a sudden heart attack. And when it's blocked at the main vessel, leading to the brain, then it will become a stroke. And all these, you know, is really, we may not even have time to do any treatment. Yeah. So and I think we all also know that, you know, the blood vessel in our heart actually is so long. It's actually as long as 160,000 kilometers, which can circle the Earth 2.5 times. So and the blood vessel is like a highway, you know, it transfer the blood, oxygen, nutrients to all over the body. And there's so many tiny roads and and other than the main highway. So it's really, you know, we cannot, definitely every one of us here will definitely have a blockage here and there. It's just that whether it's at the tiny vessel or the main blood vessel. And when we look at this, the blockage of blood vessel, when we after you know, under the picture, you see this is the amount of plaque can be actually formed in a blood vessel, and then it will obstruct all the blood flow and causing all the problems. And then look at our heart again. Do you know that our heart, you know, is a fist size, but do you know that our heart beats around 100,000 times in a day? It's so tiring, right? So imagine if I'm at my mid-30s now, it has been pumping so hard for 30 over years, and we have not really take care, or not really thinking how to really take care of it. So when we compare, you know, like car, you know, car, the engine is important, because if the engine spoil, the car cannot run. So same as our heart. If our heart stop pumping, our life stop as well. But car, you know, every year we will spend time or we spend money to send for maintenance. The frequency could be maybe 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. Then we send for the maintenance, and the lifespan could be 10 to 20 years. And if anything break down, maybe we need to do a replacement of the engine or replacement of the whole car. But what happened to our heart? You know, it's pumping so hard, 100,000 times every single day. The lifespan could be like 60, 70, 80 years. But for the past so many years, you know, we have been neglecting how to really take care of our heart. And if anything break down, you know, if a main blood vessel is blocked, we may need to do a bypass surgery, or it could end up with a sudden death. So it's really crucial that, you know, now we actually need to really take time to look at how to really take care of our heart and also our blood circulation. So what happened, you know, if in the general solutions now, what the doctors can recommend if we have the hypertension problems or any blood clot, or the may recommend first is the drugs option, you know, by taking the aspirin, thinning the blood, or the ACE inhibitor to dilate the blood vessel. Yeah, it's costly, but at the same time, you know, it's like forever. Every month they have to continue taking the medication. So it just helps to suppress the symptoms, but may not be a long-term solution to really solve the problem. Or number two, you know, if it's at a main blood vessel or few blood vessel that's blocked, the doctor can recommend to have an angioplastic surgery, whereby they put in a stent inside certain blood vessel to really dilate the blood vessel to help the blood flow better. So it can cost also USD 6,000 to 10,000 or more, but when there is a surgery, you know, there is a risk as well. And what happened to the rest of the other blood vessel that is not undergoing the angioplastic surgery? That's why we hear a lot of times, you know, maybe this year I can do an angioplastic surgery at this particular blood vessel, but maybe 2 years later we hear again from the customer another blockage at another blood vessel. So it may not really be a good solution to help the whole total body blood flow as well. Or number three, is really serious blood clot, the doctor will recommend the bypass surgery, and it can cost, you know, up to 12.5 thousand USD or more, and this is a high risk surgery as well. And if the, you know, if it's, let's say our parent, they are already aged or elderly, we may not want them to go through this risk as well, because it's a major surgery. So that's why we are really very excited and feeling blessed when we know about this product going to launch in Philippines, which is LX Young, a natural alternative solution without any risk of the drugs and surgery. So it's for the total blood flow solution for our body. So we have already launched this Life Extra in Malaysia since 2007, and we keep upgrading the formula to make it competitive and more effective. Yeah, and now this is the 4th generation, and we are bringing in the latest generation into the Philippines, which is going to have the stock ready in 1 to 2 weeks time. Yeah, so this is the very unique formula, first in Asia to have the triple action blood flow solution. So we have the L-arginine that can generate nitric oxide, and we have the tomato aqueous extract, and we have the patented curcumin extract as well. So we'll go through it one by one. So first, the L-arginine that can generate help the body to release more nitric oxide. So we all know that our body can generate nitric oxide, but over the age, you know, when we are 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, the production of our nitric oxide drop. You see, we lose 85% of our ability to make nitric oxide. So what happened when we have less nitric oxide? The plaque keep building up, you know, because since after the age of 20, can you imagine, there is already fatty deposit accumulation at our blood vessel. That's why when the blood vessel become narrow and narrower, our heart need to pump harder and harder, and that's one of the cause for the high blood pressure. And the blood vessel structure change also, it could become small, stiff, and not so elastic like previously. Yeah, so this is a Nobel Prize winning discovery for the L-arginine to release the nitric oxide, and we have added it into the formula. So when we have the more nitric oxide released in the body, it helps to dilate the blood vessels, and it's for all the blood vessels. So it helps to also maintain the flexibility of the blood vessels, inhibit the blood vessels hardening, and slow down the plaque to build up. It can also melt away those plaque formation that is causing a narrow blood vessel. That's why it's so effective to help also people with hypertension problems. Yeah, so imagine this is a blood vessel after the nitric oxide with this kind of block. Yeah, and number 2, we have also added in the award-winning and patented curcumin extract. So because we know that in the market also there is some other product that can release also nitric oxide, but not all, not all the L-arginine product actually can release the nitric oxide that is effectively absorbed by the body or can really effectively produce more nitric oxide. So we added this patented curcumin extract. It can help to enhance the L-arginine bioavailability by 40%, and thus increase the nitric oxide production by 40%. That is so much more effective, and we can say that there is no competitor in the market for the moment. And with this patented curcumin extract, it also shows that it reduced the total cholesterol by 19.3%. It also reduced the bad cholesterol by 17.9%, reduced the triglyceride by 21.8%, and increased the good cholesterol by 31%. So this is all backed up by clinical studies. And the last one is about the tomato aqueous extract, which help to give us a smooth platelet, because the platelets we know are important in clotting when we have suffer a cut or injury. So yeah, so when there's injury, it will clot. It will form a spiky form. But when it's too many spiky platelets, then it's not good for our body. So what makes the platelets become more hyperactive and sticky? It could be because, lack of exercise, or after 40, or menopause, pregnancy, intense training, or stress, or unhealthy diet, pollution, all this it could affect. And when we have more spiky platelet, it will cause more blood clots, and it obstruct the blood circulation as well and form thrombus in the blood vessel. So this award-winning and patented tomato aqueous extract can help to smoothen out the spiky platelet to become a smooth platelet again. And the antiplatelet aggregation effect is seen just within 1.5 hours after ingestion and can last more than 12 hours. So this is definitely a good news, yeah, because it's helping us to smooth out the platelet and prevent the aggregation. And also, studies show that the 97% of subjects having this formula responded to this antiplatelet aggregation effect. So it's supported as a primary prevention for cardiovascular disease. So that's why we are so proud of this formula. It's a revolutionary formulation with 3-in-1 that help to smooth the spiky platelets, inhibit the plaque formation, to dilate all the blood vessels, and to manage the blood cholesterol level as well. So all these are using the award-winning patented ingredients, and that's why it's really very effective, and we definitely believe that it's going to help a lot of people there in Philippines. So the recommended consumption is 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the evening. Yeah, of course you can also choose to have a 1 for each day for a 4 months period. So we have a lot of testimony, because since this product has been launched in Malaysia until now, it has been 13 years. We have helped so many people in Malaysia, Singapore, and we are very excited to really reach out to more people in Philippines who have the need of this problem. So this Dr. Willie Santos, he has been suffering with high blood pressure and high cholesterol for 20 years. And even with the Western medication, it just helped to control the condition, but not really lowering the cholesterol and high blood pressure. So by consuming the LX Young, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening for 2 months, the blood pressure reduced from 122/84 to 117/87, and the LDL reduced by 19%, and HDL cholesterol increased by 6.6%. So we have many good testimony, and this is another testimony also. This man having a low blood pressure and difficulty to falling asleep at night, but after taking the LX Young, it actually helped to increase the HDL and also helped him to fall asleep easily. And when he has some minor stroke symptoms, like I mentioned, the chest pain or the numbness, and once he take the LX Young, he can feel that the symptom go away just in 20 minutes. Yeah, so because of the better blood flow. And another ladies with the chest pain and shoulder pain problem and encounter shortness of breath, but after she take LX Young, in just 2 weeks time, the chest and shoulder pain is gone. Yeah, and another lady here also having high blood pressure, and after taking the LX Young in 1 to 2 months time, also the blood pressure reduced and the total cholesterol reduced. Yeah, so another one here also having a more than 10 years of blood pressure and cholesterol problems, it also improved after a 2-month consumption of LX Young. Yeah, so this is another testimony here. So this man having problem, difficult to fall asleep, and after he take the LX Young every day, he can easily fall asleep, and he also feel that the sexual vitality has greatly improved. So it's definitely a great solution for everyone. So I think we are blessed that the launching promotion here, we have the 4 months package for everyone to really take care of our blood circulation for 4 months as a cycle within a year. So imagine when we divided by 365 days, actually we only need 69 peso per day to really maintain the blood health. Imagine when we compare the money if we need to pay for a bypass surgery, which is 1 million peso, this can use for 40 years of for the 4 months LX Young treatment cycle. So we really believe that this can help a lot of people there, and we have 2 packaging available also, the 14 sachet and the 28 sachet. Yeah, so we hope that this sharing can help you also for knowledge of yourself, and to really help to share with more people who need these products. Yeah, so thank you so much for your time. I'll just pass back to Ma'am Izai. Yeah.
Thank you so